Hey everyone, Dr. Mike here with Best Birds. Today we're diving into how herbs and spices can combat sugar's harmful effects and premature aging. We all know sugar is delicious, but it's also public enemy number one for our health. In this video, we'll explore 6 incredible herbs and spices that not only add flavor, but also fight sugar's harmful effects. Let's break down the science and show you how to incorporate them into your daily routine. Let's kick things off with cinnamon, a versatile and potent spice. Cinnamon is a powerful antioxidant that can help regulate blood sugar levels. Studies show it enhances insulin sensitivity, helping our bodies use insulin more effectively. By keeping sugar spikes in check, cinnamon minimizes the formation of harmful ages. Ages contribute to aging and various health problems, so cinnamon is a valuable ally in our fight against aging. Next up, turmeric, the golden spice revered in traditional medicine. Turmeric is a potent anti-inflammatory and antioxidant, thanks to curcumin. Chronic inflammation wears down our systems, contributing to aging and disease. Curcumin calms this inflammatory response, protecting our bodies. It also reduces the formation of ages, shielding us from their damaging effects. Turmeric supports liver function, crucial for detoxification. By supporting liver health, turmeric helps eliminate harmful substances more efficiently. Let's move on to ginger, a powerhouse from the spice rack. Ginger is famous for soothing upset stomachs but offers benefits beyond digestion. Gingerol, the active compound, improves insulin sensitivity and keeps blood sugar levels stable. By keeping inflammation in check, ginger protects our bodies from sugar's damaging effects. Chronic inflammation worsens insulin resistance, creating a vicious cycle. Ginger breaks this cycle, promoting healthy blood sugar balance and overall well-being. Don't let their small size fool you. Cloves are bursting with antioxidants. These powerful compounds neutralize harmful free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. Eugenol, the compound in cloves, has anti-inflammatory properties and may help regulate blood sugar levels. By keeping oxidative stress and inflammation in check, cloves support healthy aging. Adding a pinch of ground cloves to your recipes or enjoying clove tea provides a delicious dose of antioxidants. Moving on to rosemary, a fragrant herb that's more than just a garnish. Rosemary is a potent antioxidant, thanks to carnosic acid and rosmarinic acid. These antioxidants combat oxidative stress and reduce inflammation. By reducing oxidative stress, rosemary helps reduce the formation of ages. Adding rosemary to your meals is a delicious way to boost your antioxidant intake. Last but not least, we have sage, celebrated for its cognitive-enhancing properties. Sage offers powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant benefits. It helps regulate blood sugar levels, protecting against oxidative stress. Sage supports brain health, improving memory, focus and cognitive function. By incorporating sage into your diet, you support healthy aging and brain health. Try adding fresh sage leaves to your meals or enjoying sage tea. So there you have it. 6 incredible herbs and spices to combat sugar's harmful effects and support healthy aging. By incorporating these natural powerhouses into our diets, we can enjoy their flavors and health benefits. Start by adding 1 or 2 of these herbs and spices to your meals each day. Nature has provided us with tools to support our health and well-being. Let's embrace the power of herbs and spices for a healthier, more vibrant life.